Good morning, traders. This is John Kennedy, Senior Commodity Market Strategist in Chicago with RGO Futures. Give you a brief rundown of the morning grain markets. As we speak, corn is trading at about $3.7825, down 7.5 cents on the session. Soybeans are knocking on the door of $10 in the front month at about 10.25, down 3.75 cents, and wheat is trading at about $5.42, down an even 6 cents for the day. First and foremost, turning to Monday's brief summary of the USDA biggest grain report of the year. Overall, the corn numbers that came out were neutral to very slightly bullish. Beans were on the bearish side overall, and wheat was called neutral. There was a little bit of a bullish news mixed with some bearish tint, so we'll call it neutral. In the overnight, there was some USDA reports of corn and bean sales. Keep in mind for tomorrow, we have the NOPA crush report, which could come out with some record numbers, so keep your eyes on that. The weakness in the grains is due yesterday, especially in the corn at about the 390 level. Corn crossed over a major technical level bearishly, and the soybeans as well, so we want to keep an eyes on that. A major factor with that is some of the managed funds have been selling or basically unwinding sizable long positions in corn and more modest positions in both the beans and the wheat. Another factor potentially that could support some of these, we have some stability in crude oil today. It's slightly up, but overall there's adequate stocks, great weather in South America, very negative technical action, especially for corn, and the funds selling. These agricultural markets here in the States are going to remain under some significant pressure until it changes. As I said, in South America, the weather is very favorable with some warmer temperatures and adequate rainfall through most of the areas. The ratings in Argentina on their corn crops have been, for the most part, good across the board. So we'll keep tabs on some of these grain markets on the downside. It's definitely leaning bearish technically, and until something changes on the fundamental side, which is also leaning bearish, especially with the South American weather, it may be a good time to be short or protecting your longs. Until the next time, this is John Kennedy in Chicago. Have a great day.